life be like? Yeah, my life be like.
Hello and welcome to Fox Gadgets. Are you looking for tools that make your life easier, smarter, and much more epic? Whether you're passionate about the outdoors, technology, style, or simply want to be prepared for any situation, this video is for you. Today we bring you a selection of incredible gadgets designed especially for men who aren't satisfied with the basics. From tactical equipment and multi-purpose tools to devices you never imagined, here you'll find the best in innovation, functionality, and design. So, get comfortable because we're getting started. Tiny survival card. Here's another survival kit, this time even more portable. 17 high-quality tools integrated into a metal card that fits easily in your pocket or wallet. What does it include? A small knife, a double-edged saw, fishing tools such as 2 harpoons, 6 hooks, and a lure. It also comes with a micro drill, 3 sewing needles, and tweezers. It is made of stainless steel, which makes it highly resistant and corrosion-proof. Thanks to its magnetic base and triangular tabs, removing and replacing each tool is very easy. A card like this is all a modern castaway would need to survive. T1 Tomahawk Tape Measure. This device not only looks useful, it really is. It is a digital tape measure that allows you to measure quickly and accurately, without errors or repetitions. Although you can read the measurements directly on the tape, the integrated OLED screen makes the difference by displaying readings in both metric and imperial systems. With just one click, the data is saved on an e-ink display on the side of the device. It also includes a green laser guide that further improves accuracy. All information can be synchronized with an app to create work plans or cutting lists. The body of the device is lightweight but durable, ideal for use during long days without discomfort. Multi-tool pliers. Multifunctional tools are not just for extreme situations or survival. They are also very practical for everyday tasks. This particular tool combines 17 functions in a single device, including pliers, a small saw, flathead, and Phillips screwdrivers, among other common utilities. It also includes scissors and a ruler. And if you decide to take a break, you can open a drink with the built-in bottle opener and can opener. It comes with a case designed for easy transport, which can be placed either vertically or horizontally. Made from a single piece of steel, it offers excellent resistance to continuous use. Despite its functionality, it is still lightweight and easy to handle, weighing only 238 grams. With tools like this, any task is within reach for those who are well prepared. Rolling knee pads. Rolling knee pads are designed to prevent knee and back pain, especially if you work long hours on your knees. The 3-wheel base allows you to rotate 360 degrees without having to get up. They are equipped with a gel pad that distributes weight evenly and adapts to the contour of the knee, while the hard plastic outer shell and a strap ensure a secure fit. With the push of a button, you can convert them from mobile to fixed knee pads, and if you need to move around on your knees, simply reinsert the wheels. In addition to offering comfort, these knee pads increase your mobility and allow you to work more efficiently. Electric lighters. This lighter stands out for its unconventional design and technological features. Instead of using classic wheels or buttons, it is activated by a laser sensor that automatically detects your finger when you place it in the slot. Its windproof design makes it ideal for outdoor use, and it is easily recharged via a micro USB cable. On the front, a series of LED lights indicate the remaining battery level. It is available in several colors and finishes, so you can choose the one that best suits your style. Multifunctional lamp. Weighing only 7 ounces and measuring 5.9 inches long, it's easy to clip onto your backpack. Despite its size, the flashlight is powerful, with different brightness levels and 6 lighting modes, including a reading mode and an emergency mode, SOS. It also incorporates a glass breaker for critical situations. Magnets on the sides allow you to attach it to metal surfaces and work hands-free. The battery can last up to 30 hours, depending on the mode of use, and is charged with a USB-C cable. It also includes a USB-A port for charging other devices. Full Windsor EATI. Imagine having everything you need for outdoor dining in a single tool. This multifunctional utensil is made of titanium, making it ultra-resistant, corrosion-proof, and virtually indestructible. It can be used as a knife, fork, and spoon. It is also useful for preparing meals or starting a fire. Titanium also develops an antibacterial layer when exposed to air, making it even more hygienic. It includes a handy carrying bag, perfect for taking with you on all your expeditions. Firebinder carabiners. Here is a collection of carabiners that are not only useful, but also stylish. Made from durable materials, each one includes built-in tools such as a screwdriver, bottle opener, and slots for hanging various objects. One of its most notable features is its ability to generate sparks to start a fire, thanks to its built-in wheel. The kit includes a replaceable ferrocerium rod and spare parts. The most advanced version adds a belt cutter and 2 types of keys, as well as a glass breaker useful in emergencies. Just remember to be careful when starting a fire. Pot handle and camp cooking solution. This multifunctional utensil is essential for your outdoor adventures. It combines an ergonomic handle with a gas cartridge recycling tool. It is made of anodized aluminum, which guarantees strength and durability, while its heat-resistant silicone tabs prevent burns. In addition to handling hot kitchen utensils, it allows you to release the remaining gas from empty cans and puncture them safely so you can recycle them. Portable shaver. Shaving is often one of the most delicate steps in men's personal care, but this portable electric shaver makes it much easier. It is considerably smaller than traditional shavers, making it easy to handle and transport. It fits perfectly in a pocket or small bag, and its lock mode prevents it from turning on accidentally during travel. It comes equipped with 2 floating heads that adjust to the contours of the face, offering a clean shave regardless of style. Its powerful motor rotates at 8,000 revolutions per minute, ensuring fast and efficient performance. It charges via a USB-C port and can run for up to a month on a single charge. It's time to forget about stubble. Smartfolio 2.0. What really makes this organizer special is its internal structure. On one side, there is an A5 size notepad accompanied by a metal pen that attaches magnetically. On the other side, you will find multiple compartments designed to store cards, wireless headphones, and other accessories. It also has a fold-out stand, ideal for video calls or virtual meetings. But that's not all. This organizer also works as a charger, either through its wireless surface or via 2 hidden USB ports that are activated at the touch of a button. Another interesting version does not include the notepad, but offers more space for cards, documents such as passports and tickets. It also includes a detachable strap, allowing it to be used as a handheld accessory. Union Multi-Tool. Get ready to meet a miniature toolbox that doesn't sacrifice functionality. It contains all the essentials: a 7.6 centimeter folding knife, a T-handle screwdriver, pliers, and an adjustable wrench that provides excellent grip, relieving strain on your hands and wrists. If you need to cut, there is a built-in saw. The most innovative feature is that you can extend the device and transform it into a full-size screwdriver for more comfortable working. Need to use several tools at once? You can split it into 2 parts for easier multitasking, and many of its parts can be opened or closed with one hand. A truly practical and versatile solution. Portable weather radio. This compact multifunctional device is perfect for emergency situations. First, it works as a radio, allowing you to stay informed even if you don't have electricity. It also serves as a charger for your phone and has a built-in flashlight. Roto Shovel. Want to save time while working in your garden? This electric shovel gets the job done faster and effortlessly. It can drill holes up to 17.8 centimeters deep and 7.6 centimeters wide, allowing you to plant, dig, or install things like mailboxes more efficiently. It's lightweight, powerful, and makes any gardening task much more enjoyable. Maneuver board. How do you train for climbing if you can't leave the house? This training equipment is the answer. Designed in poplar wood with an aluminum frame, it is sturdy and easy to assemble. You just need to adjust it to the width of a door frame without any additional tools. The board includes a series of holes of varying depths, from 0.5 to 2.3 inches, as well as 2 upper grips inclined at 20 degrees. Although it's not a real mountain, it's perfect for building strength and improving your technique without leaving home. Garmin Instinct 2 Series. This GPS smartwatch is ideal for keeping track of all your physical activity. It comes with multiple sports modes such as running, cycling, swimming, and many others. It provides detailed metrics, heart rate, blood oxygen levels, distance traveled, and body energy. You can even share your live location with family or friends for added safety. The physical buttons allow for quick and easy navigation, but what really sets it apart is its autonomy. It runs on solar power. Bitcoin material. If you have invested in cryptocurrencies, especially Bitcoin, this physical wallet offers you an additional layer of security. It is waterproof, fireproof, and impact resistant. But most importantly, it cannot be hacked, as it has no electronic components. It is made of stainless steel and has your public Bitcoin address engraved on it, so you can receive funds and check your balance. On the back is your private key, hidden under a metal security strip. This pair of keys is generated offline using a high-security, high-precision system and engraved with a fiber optic laser. The entire process is automated and confidential, ensuring that only you have access to the information. Survival Kit 21 in 1. This complete survival kit is ideal for accompanying you on your outdoor adventures, whether hiking or camping. It contains 24 essential tools that will help you deal with any situation or unforeseen event. Start with the essentials: a sharp folding knife, climbing carabiners, and a high-performance flashlight. Other tools are more versatile, such as a multifunction utensil that serves as a spoon, fork, wrench, bottle opener, and even a harpoon. You'll also find a compact lighter combined with an emergency whistle, a thermal blanket, a wire saw, and a tactical pen, all organized in a single practical case. With this equipment in your backpack, you'll be ready for any challenge. Mini knives. At first glance, this object does not look like a knife. It has a modern and sophisticated aesthetic, with a minimalist design and shiny finish. Its handle incorporates a hole that provides a secure grip. It is available in 3 attractive colors, and the blades are designed to match the handles. Prefer something smaller? There is a collection of miniature knives in different shapes and sizes, with handles made of solid copper, making them durable and visually striking. Although tiny, even the smallest of these knives can cut through a can with ease. You can also opt for mini versions of chef's knives, made of durable stainless steel and sandalwood handles. Each piece measures only 4.2 centimeters and comes with a decorative synthetic leather case. Barbuzzo glasses. No need to pull a trigger. Here's a set of shot glasses shaped like bullets. Made of ceramic, each one has a capacity of 60 milliliters. Ideal for strong drinks, these glasses have a compact design that makes them easy to store. To keep their gold finish in perfect condition, it is recommended to wash them by hand. Each pack includes 2 units. Magnetic wristband rack. This practical accessory is a magnetic wristband that incorporates 10 powerful magnets to hold screws, nails, nuts, and small tools directly on your wrist. This way, you can keep everything you need within reach while you work. You will no longer lose small parts or have to interrupt your tasks to look for them. It is a simple but effective device, ideal to always have at home to facilitate repairs or DIY projects. Universal socket grip. No need to carry a whole box of tools to be ready. This universal socket can replace multiple sizes, as it automatically adapts to different screw heads. Compatible with electric drills and ratchet wrenches, its design makes work easier and saves time. It can hold nuts, screws, hooks, and more, in a range from 6 to 19 millimeters. Its maximum torque is over 125 pounds, ensuring high performance. Made of stainless steel, it is extremely durable and comes with an adapter for use with a drill. It is perfect for both amateurs and professionals, making any type of repair easier. UR1001 watch. More than just a watch, this model called Titan is a statement of strength and sophistication. Its case is made entirely of titanium, making it a durable accessory, almost like another tool. Although it is a pocket watch, it includes a strap if you prefer to wear it on your wrist. It features 3 outstanding modules: a satellite system that displays the time, a retrograde mechanism for the minutes, and an annual calendar, as well as subdials for the seconds and the day-night transition. The back also offers unique features: a cumulative usage counter, up to 1,000 years, and a reminder to change the oil every 3 years. It is a watch that not only measures time, but is also designed to accompany you for generations. Welding helmet. When welding, eye protection is essential. This helmet has an automatic filter that changes from clear to dark in milliseconds when it detects the welding arc. A liquid crystal system is electronically activated to protect you from UV and infrared radiation. It is solar-powered, so there is no risk of it turning off in the middle of a job. Although it looks sturdy, it is lightweight and easily adjustable for comfort. There are also several styles available, so you can choose the one you like best. Key case. Does your key ring look like a chaotic collection of metal? This key organizer is the solution. Its compact design allows you to store up to 5 keys, which unfold with a simple twist. In addition to being functional, it has an elegant design that combines eco-friendly leather with a sturdy closure system. If you need more capacity, there is an alternative version that holds up to 8 keys. You choose which one best suits your daily life. Auxiliary. If you care about fashion but also value innovation, this garment combines the best of both worlds. With interchangeable buttons and a unique anchoring system, you no longer have to worry about loose or broken buttons. Each button is precision machined on a 6-axis CNC machine. The Polygene's fabric includes biostatic technology that reduces the proliferation of odor-causing bacteria, keeping it fresh longer. The best part? It doesn't need ironing and can be machine washed without losing its shape. Rolling Square In Charge 6. In the digital age, this device functions as a modern Swiss Army knife. It is an ultra-compact solution for carrying 6 types of cables in a single portable accessory. It includes USB-C, USB-A, Lightning, and micro USB connectors, covering all your charging and data transfer needs. You can even use your mobile phone or tablet as a power source to charge other devices such as headphones, watches, or phones. The Max version, with a 1.5-meter cable, provides even more versatility. Its metal casing, made of zinc and aluminum, makes it incredibly durable. Plus, its keychain-compatible design makes it an ideal option to take with you wherever you go, much more practical than carrying several separate cables. Burger Press Grillaholics. Take your culinary skills to the next level with this hamburger press. Say goodbye to misshapen or undercooked hamburgers. This tool allows you to shape perfectly round patties that taste better. Simply place the ground beef in the press, add your favorite ingredients in the center, and cover with more beef. You can make hamburgers up to 225 grams. Thanks to its ergonomic handle and non-stick coating, each patty comes out perfectly shaped and effortlessly. Plus, cleaning is no problem, as it is dishwasher safe. As an extra, it includes an e-book with original recipes. Get the grill ready and let the party begin. 3-way mirror for cutting hair. Cutting your hair at home has never been easier. This foldable mirror gives you a complete view of your head thanks to its 360-degree design. It attaches to a regular mirror using adjustable hooks, and its foldable structure, up to 180 degrees, makes it easy to transport and store. Ideal for use at home or when traveling, it's the perfect tool for keeping your haircut in shape without needing help. Well, friends, with this gadget, we've come to the end of this video. Remember to subscribe if you haven't already, and see you in the next video. Take care.